29.97 inches and steady. Weather conditions across Ohio: Columbus partly sunny 77 degrees, Akron partly sunny 77, New Philadelphia mostly sunny 80, Youngstown cloudy 80, Cleveland partly sunny 80, Worcester mostly sunny 77, Toledo cloudy 75, and Cincinnati fog 78. In West Virginia, Morgantown, partly sunny 76 degrees, Parkersburg, partly sunny 78, Clarksburg fair 78, and Charleston cloudy 77. In Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, partly sunny and 78 degrees, Beaver Falls sunny 79, Butler cloudy 75, Newcastle sunny 79, Latrobe partly sunny 75, Washington 75, and Erie cloudy 80. Once again, at Zanesville, 80 degrees under sunny skies, and Wheeling, 76 under partly sunny skies.
The current time is Weather Bulletin. Test. Begin weekly alarm test.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Bridgeport, Ohio on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The preceding tone signals are a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11:15 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWF35, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Cattle, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And these counties in northern West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Wetzel, Wood, and Wood. And finally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania of Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast.